Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you the position they call it what, petrol filter position on Hyundai Trajet. So I just took it out. So I was looking for it and never got it. So but now you're gonna see. You see exactly. You see the front door on your left hand side. You understand? So on your left hand side, front door, you go down exactly. But I don't know which country you're in because it depends on maybe on the country. Some of them they drive that side. So this is the right hand drive car. So what do? You come down here. So the objective is to show you where it is. So okay, it's here, exactly here. You can see we did change the new one, so it's not something which is far. I was looking for it like way that side, but good enough it's here. So that's the place. So if you want to change it, you can go here and change it. So you can see it has some screws there. You need some spanners, like not very complicated thing. You can change it yourself without going to a mechanic. So it was changed well, it's fine. So the car is good. So I'm gonna just test drive because the old one, it was a little bit dirty. So it's a Hyundai Trajet. You can see Trajet Hyundai. Yeah, this is a 2005 model. So I don't think there's any issue from that. So it's a V6 2.7 petrol. Yeah, it's a very big engine. It's a very nice car. I'm gonna try to test drive it after doing that. So I was having some issues, so, but anyway, it's fine. I was having some issues, but I think everything is fine now. Let me try this. Check out this guy. Okay, it's a heavy car, very powerful car. Okay, let me go like this. It won't be something easy. So I'm trying to go here. Yeah, that's it. So I'm trying to test it, but I think everything is going well. So I don't think I have an issue with this car for now after changing that. So that's one of the reasons why I changed it. So you need to change it. I don't know after how many kilometers, but I did change it now and I'm happy. So the reason why I did this video is to show you where the positioning of this. So in most cases it's not easy to find that. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and hope to see you in the next video.